Good morning, my dear student. In the last class, we have discussed about question and answer, something explanation, and we have conducted a test also on that same poem. Today, I am going to discuss about a second lesson. The lesson name is that a soldier's son. My dear student, the meaning of lesson, a soldier's son. You know what is mean by soldier's son? You know very well soldier is to protect our country. If soldier is not there, we can't walk a single minute also independent. Are you getting my point? My dear student, without soldier, we can't move a single minute anywhere else independently. If they are protecting our border, then only we people are standing freely. Then only we are surrounding, we are walking, we are running somewhere else, and we are talking each other, we are communicate each other independently towards. Soldier is important to protect our country. And regarding this lesson, a soldier's son, because of the story is belongs to 12-year boys. 12-year boys, how he is achieve his goal. We have to discuss about the chapter in the later. Before discussing chapter, we have to go through our author. My dear student, our author, this a soldier's son, a lesson written by Shobha Ghosh. Shobha Ghosh written this lesson, and she also contributed to towards the country. She is also extraordinary in education level. Shobha Ghosh's parents, Rai Bahadur and Jyotsana. Rai Bahadur and Jyotsana. Her parents' name is Rai Bahadur and Jyotsana. She was born 1958. When she was born, my dear student, she was born 1958. She was born in West Bengal. My dear student, where she was born? She was born in 1958 and she was born in West Bengal. Shobha Ghosh is the director of the FICCE Act, established various lessons and established various education field and many other things in the established. She is also a director of the pre-primary and primary higher primary education director, and she studied very well in the basically and birthplace. After that, she studied in the University of English education and in the West Bengal. She has given many contribution toward the country, and also she established education field, and she done various higher primary education's director. Being a director, how to develop in the education system, she developed very well according to her level best. My dear students, she is also one of the great author. Shobha Ghosh also one of the great English author in our establishment of the education related level. And my dear student, we have to discuss about the author information lightly, and just go through whenever you are trying to reach the information of Shobha Ghosh and regarding this lesson and attachment with the lesson. A soldier's son Before that, we have to discuss about the meanings of lesson. My dear student, meaning of new earth, main thing is that if you going to start a new chapter, whatever it may be, whatever the subject it may be, you go through the first meaning of the words. It is very important, whoever it may be, or whatever the subject, not only English, any other languages, you can go through before the starting the lesson. Meaning is important, my dear student. If you learn thoroughly meaning, automatically while reading or while studying in the lesson, automatically you people will get good knowledge in that particular lesson. My dear student, that purpose I am trying to reach my level best to give the knowledge about the meanings of this lesson. New words: bravery, fearlessness, readiness to suffer dangers and pain. Bravery. A brave boy 12 years old. 12 years old, this story belongs to the boy who was a 12 years boy. Regarding this, about the boy, we have to discuss later this. Bravery, fearlessness, readiness to suffer danger and pain. Gasping, catching breath suddenly and in a way that can be hard because of fear and shock. Fear and shock. Fear and shock. Hesitation. We can call sometimes agitation. Agitation means slowness in deciding what to do. Slowness in the deciding what to do. Grimacing, showing pain which makes their face unnaturally twisted. Grimacing, showing a pain which makes the face unnaturally twisted. Next one, incoherently, not clear and hard to understand. Not clear and hard to understand. Plummet, fall steeply suddenly. My dear student, before this lesson, and we have discussed about the meanings of this lesson, and also if you may get write a meaning of this lesson like one or two words in the examination like that. My dear student, a soldier's son, you know what is the mean by soldier's son? Already I explained, and what is soldier and what is a soldier boy, and who is what is the theme of the story, and also what is the how many characters are in this lesson, and what are the characters are there in this lesson. We have to discuss first the chapter pre-reading activity, listening and speaking. LSRW we can call. LSRW, reading, writing and speaking, talking, like that. LSRW. Read the passage given below at home and be ready to listen to your teachers. Narration of it in class, then answer our questions. Narration of answer our questions. Read the passage given below at home and be ready to listen to your teacher's narration of it in class, then answer our questions. We have to discuss and we have to give the answer. It is communicate each other, teacher and students. How they are communicate each others, you know very well. And also soldier son. What is the mean by soldier? Already I told you what is a soldier. Soldier are second god to our country. They are protecting us very well, and it is related to lesson. My dear student, can you open the textbook? I feel you may open. The other day I read in a newspaper about a brave act of a small girl. This girl Amina saw a child sleep and fall into a sump. Without a moment's agitation, she jumped into the sump. The sump was 6 feet deep and full. Amina is 3 feet. And she just jumped, holding her breath and wildly kicking her feet. She somehow managed to throw the child out, and then she climbed up. Once upon a time, the other day I read in a newspaper about a brave act. Once upon a time I used to read the newspaper, my dear student. Many stories we are going to reading in the newspaper day-to-day life. Day-to-day life, people are also reading newspaper and any magazines, any watching TV, any news media, this, that. Many stories we are trying to reach our level best to the getting knowledge by our newspaper or media. Once upon a time, the other day reader, a small girl trying to reach her level best and fall into a sump. Without a moment's agitation, she jumped into the sump. Regarding this lesson, we have to go through deeply in the next class. Thank you everyone.